Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu says that he heard Hazrat Hisham bin Hakim reciting the chapter Al-Furqan in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times. And I heard him pronouncing many words in a mode Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not teach me that mode of recitation. So I intended to pounce upon him even during the prayer, but then I waited till the salutation. I then, putting his or my sheet around his neck, said, "Who has taught you this chapter?" He replied, "Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught it to me." I said, "You are telling a lie. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught me this chapter which I have heard you reciting." So I dragged him to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have heard him recite chapter Al-Furqan in a mode which you have not taught me, though you have taught me chapter Al-Furqan as well. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Umar, leave him. O Hisham, read it." So he recited it in a way I had heard him reciting. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "It has been revealed in the same way." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "O Umar, read." When I read it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It has been revealed in that very way." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "This Quran has been revealed in 7 modes of recitation, so recite in the mode convenient for you." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6936.